Welcome to Bobchi's Corner. So glad you can join me. Let's get to it. Hi, I'm Barb. Welcome to Bobchi's Kitchen. I did a quick Costco run last week and bought a bag of grated Parmesan cheese. And I don't want this to go bad, so I am going to go ahead and package this up for the freezer in 1 cup measurements. What I'm gonna vacuum seal, but in the meantime, I need to cut all my bags to size. So I will be back when I'm all done cutting the bags, and we will continue from there. Welcome. Okay, so I cut all the bags to size, and I sealed one end of them. Hopefully I have enough bags here. I think I do. But in the meantime, I think I'm going to take the vacuum sealer out of the way, and I'll plug it back in after. I'm just going to put it on top of my vacuum seal bags, the boxes. I have to open up another box. Thank goodness I bought another box from Costco. Let me get my pan just in case I lose some cheese while I'm doing this. Put my little, I don't even know if this will work. Let me see if this works. Oh, look at that. It works, it works. I thought this was just going to work for Ziploc bags, not these type. But it works. All right, let's start. I'm going to, this is about 3 pounds, I believe, of cheese. 2 1.5-pound bags. It's so much cheaper than what I've been buying in the grocery store. So I decided to go this route. The best by date on these, where do I see it, are April 2024. So I'm doing this way in advance of the best by date, which is a good thing. There's no way I'm going to be able to use up all of this cheese. Oh, guys, I am seriously struggling here with this video. I lost, my camera has stopped at some point. And I've been checking it periodically. I actually stopped everything, ran out, got an SD card, hoping this resolves the issue. Because this is like the 3rd time I'm trying to videotape this. But I'm back, so let's get to it. So I have this last piece of, oh, let me go get my cheese. Okay, so my cheese is back out. I put everything in the refrigerator while I ran out to do what I needed to do to get this video finished. So I have this last piece of bag from my other roll. So I'm going to just, I think I'm going to put like 1.5 cups into this one, seeing it is so big. And this is a 1/2 cup measure. I don't know if I mentioned that, or I can't remember if I mentioned that earlier or not. There's not much I can remember lately. So once you get to my age, I just turned 60, and I'm finding I become very forgetful. Do you find that too? I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to not put my back to you, but I'll find out. I think I'm going to use my silicone bags for these. So I don't have that much left. So I'm going to use my silicone bags. And these will be the bags that I pull out first. So that's 1 cup into this bag. I was saying before that when I was filling these other bags, if I that I would speed it. I would adjust the speed on the camera, you know, to make it go fast. But I didn't need to do that because my camera stopped filming. So here we are. That's one. Not that much left in here. This one I'll put in the refrigerator since I don't have any in the refrigerator right now. So I'll go ahead and put this one in the refrigerator. There we go. Folding out the air. Good. Okay. So let me put those there. I'm going to move this. Actually, I can move all that. I think I'm going to get the vacuum sealer going. I'm going to hook this up. Hook it up, Buttercup. Have another sip of a nice cold cup of coffee since I don't feel like heating it up. I'll just all right. Let's give this a shot. Actually, let me just check to make sure my camera's working before I do anything else. Oh, it's working. Wow. I managed to get this to work. All right. So let's see how this goes. This is gonna be noisy. So this part I'll more than likely put some music on. I'll try to learn how to speed up the video while I'm vacuum sealing. If not, I'll just I'll do clipping in between so that it goes by quicker. But I'll try to learn how to do the speed thing. Like, you know, I mentioned before that did not record. I am new at this. So let's give this a shot. It's working. There we go. All sealed and ready for the freezer. I'm going to pull you in closer for the next, maybe next couple. Or just pull you in closer. Okay, how's that? Hopefully this is good. Honestly, I find it soothing watching when people either do their vacuum sealing and they put the music on. I find that soothing while I'm watching the machine do its thing. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully you do too. Alrighty. Perfect. And I'm gonna move my camera. Okay, so let's see. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.5 cups of grated Parmesan for the freezer, and about 3/4 of a cup for the refrigerator. So now all I need to do is remember, I gotta mark them. Let's put today's date and what it is. So this, on my silicone, I like to write on the lip of it. So what's today, the 31st. So it's 12, 31, 23, grated Parm cheese. You see? I don't know if you can see that, but that's how I do it. I like to do it on this because it'll wash off nice and clean. It's not going to stain anything, and I don't like my bags stained like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest. Even though I know what these are, I'm going to still at least put the date on. And these will go into a bigger Ziploc bag and into the freezer. Okay, so I finished marking them all. I dated them, put the measurement, like this one is 1.5 cups. I wrote it on here, and I'm reusing my old bags where I had things in them before, and I'm just gonna pack them in here like this. I did 1 cup measurements because some of the recipes that I've come across will call for a 1/2 cup to 1 cup measurement. So this is like perfect for a recipe. So this one I will use first because it is not vacuum sealed. This one is going into the refrigerator, and see if I can close this. Hopefully I could. Yep, I should be able to. Or not, I don't know how many times I've already used this bag. The zipper might be worn down. Okay. So this is my 3 pounds of Parmesan cheese stored in the freezer. Again, thank you for being here with me. See, I don't know how people can talk to a camera when there's nobody around and pretend they're talking to somebody. I get tongue-tied and I forget what I'm going to say or what I want to say. And just bear with me. Hopefully one of these days I'll get comfortable talking to the camera. But I have to, or talking to you without you being right in front of me. Maybe that's what I should say. So now that everything is cleaned up, I'd like to say thank you for joining me today, and welcome to Bocce's Corner, and I look forward to seeing you next time.